Hello family, you are welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. My returning subscribers, I love you guys. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so in today's video, we are going to make baked donuts. Okay, so in my mixing bowl, I'll need some flour. So I'm using 1.5 cup of flour. All right, I'm going to spread this before I add my other ingredients. So I have here with me some baking powder, and I'm going to grate some nutmeg. You can use cinnamon if that is what you prefer. That is also great. And I am also going to add salt, of course, which is also important. At this point, I want to make sure that my mixture or my dry ingredients are well mixed. Now we are going to prepare the wet ingredients. So I will need 1 egg. I will also need melted butter, and I'm also going to need fresh milk. Then the next I'm going to add is vanilla extract and also some sugar. Okay, so at this point you can use any sugar that you want, granulated sugar, any sugar at all. All right, so I'm going to make sure I mix this very well. Okay, so definitely I'm not using a machine, so I may not get all my sugar dissolved, but that is not a problem. At this point, I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients, and I'm going to do this step by step. I'm not going to add it straight away. So if you reach this point and you realize that your wet ingredients does not or is not enough with your dry ingredients for you to achieve your desired consistency, you can as well add more milk so that you are able to achieve the desired consistency that you are looking for. So this is the consistency that we are going for. You can as well go for a lighter consistency than this, and it's also going to come out perfect. But you want to note that you don't want to go too light or you mess everything up, okay? Now I am going to bring my baking pan. I'm going to grease it with some olive oil, and after which I am going to fill my baking tray or my baking pan, okay, and then get it ready to bake. It's possible to get a little messy because of the spoon I'm using, but at this point you can see it's looking so beautiful and so nice. And yeah, this is the end result. I baked this under 200 degrees and it came out so perfect. So this is it. So since I love to use glazer, I am going to prepare some glazer, and I'm going to use this. I have here some baking chocolates, and I also have some sugar for my glazer. Okay, so I'm just going to use this too. So to prepare my glazer, I need some sugar, and I also need just 1 spoon of milk. After which you can just leave it like this. If you are making this at home and you don't want to add any food coloring, you are not supposed to do that because I'm doing this. All right, okay, so kids love this, and you know their eyes love colors, so I chose red color, and I'm going for pink anyway. So this is it. I'm going to make sure that I achieve my desired color, and this is it. So beautiful. So this is our glazer, and the chocolate is already in warm water and it's going to come out very soon. I'm going to show you that, and this is it. So this is my second glazer. Okay, I'm not going to add anything to it, just the chocolate, and it's cool. So let's get it done. I'm going to dip my donut into my glazer, and I'm going to show you the outcome. Ooh, I love it already. It's thick, just the consistency that I want. And here is it. So you can now see how it's so easy for you to make your own donuts at home without getting them from the groceries all the time. And since kids love it, if you have kids at home and they are lovers of donuts, this is so easy. You don't have to stress so much thinking about which glazer or what and what not. Okay, you just can get to the groceries and get all the ingredients, get to the kitchen and make something for them. We are done. Look at how beautiful it came out. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you to you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. It's free. You can choose to watch any other video on this channel and it's free. So turn on bell notification, guys. Anytime I upload a new video, definitely you are going to be the first person to get the video. Okay, so yeah. I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers and anybody who has been a support to this channel. I really appreciate you guys. So this is it, guys. This is the end result and it really tastes yum. So delicious. All right. And I'm going to leave the ingredients for you in the description box so you can check it out. So until I come your way again next time, see you in my next video. Here is Rima Healthy Way. It's bye.